Many years ago, all feelings and emotions have gathered to spend their vacation on a coastal island. Each of them was having a good time, but one day there was announced a warning of a storm and everyone had to leave the island. This caused a panic. All rushed to their boats, and only Love did not wish to be in a hurry. There was so much to do, so Love was the last, who realized that it was time to leave. However, no free boats were left, and Love looked around with hope. As Prosperity was passing by in its classy boat, Love asked, "Please, take me in your boat." But Prosperity replied, "My boat is full of gold and other precious possessions. There is no place for you." Then Vanity came by in a lovely boat. Love asked, "Vanity, could you take me in your boat? Please, help me." Vanity said, "No, your feet are muddy, and I don't want my boat get dirty." A bit later, Sorrow was passing by, and Love called for help. But Sorrow answered, "I am so sad, I want to be by myself." Then Happiness came by. Love asked for help, but Happiness was too happy, hardly concerned about anyone. Suddenly, somebody called out, "Love, I will take you with me." Love did not recognize its savior, just gratefully jumped onto the boat. When everyone had reached safe place, Love get off the boat and met Knowledge. Love asked, "Knowledge, do you know who helped me when everyone else turned away?" Knowledge smiled. That was Time, because only Time knows love's true value, and what love is capable of. Only love can bring peace and happiness. The message of this story is that when we are prosperous, we underrate love. When we feel important, we do not appreciate love. And even in happiness and sorrow, we overlook love. Only with time, we realize the true value of love. Why wait and not cherish love every day of your life?